Alright everyone, welcome to this channel called Chucky the Clown, and this time it's the second video, and we're gonna unbox this, the Hammond Collection Human. This action figure was released back in 2023. Let's unbox this one.
Need help?
Stuck of this thing.
You need help?
No, I got this. I did it. Here's the figure out of the box, and it's so small. And I have to be careful for this. Almost dropped it off. It's stuck! It's stuck of this thing. There we go. Here's the figure out of the box. And I'm gonna use him to I can't. Wait, the hand needs to hold it. Can it hold it? Just that? How can I hold this one?
Like this.
Now, Angela. He's fine?
Mm-hmm.
Can I start the end of the video, Angela, now?
See you later, Steve.
See you later, everyone.